Here's a solution for day 3, problem 1. Use synthetic division to divide this polynomial by x minus 1. So let's start by listing the coefficients from the polynomial. We have 1x cubed minus 2x squared, 3x, and a constant of 1. And we're going to divide that by the value of x that makes that divisor equal to 0, in this case 1. Synthetic division uses a process of multiplying and adding. So drop that first term and then multiply, add these together, and multiply, add together, and multiply, and add together. This number on the end is our remainder. Here's the constant, here's the coefficient of x, here's the coefficient of x squared. So the answer is 1x squared minus 1x plus 2, and now the remainder is plus 3 over x minus 1. So here is our answer to that polynomial division problem using synthetic division. If you were to use long division, you would write down the polynomial x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x plus 1, and you would divide using the long division bracket by x minus 1. X times what is x cubed? X times x squared is x cubed, and you'd write the x squared up above. And then you multiply these together and write down underneath. X squared times x is x cubed, and x squared times negative 1 is negative 1x squared. With long division, you subtract columns. Synthetic division is better because you get to add columns, and that's easier to do with negative numbers. When you subtract negative numbers, you have to be so careful of doing the signs correctly. X cubed subtract x cubed is nothing. Negative 2x squared subtract negative 1x squared is negative x squared. And then drop the next term down. X times what is negative x squared? And that would be negative x. And then you multiply these together. Negative x times x is negative x squared. Negative x times negative 1 is plus 1x. And then subtract the columns. 3x subtract 1x is 2x. Drop down the next term. X divides into 2x how many times? 2 times. So you'd write a plus 2 up above. And then you multiply these together. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And then you subtract. 1 subtract negative 2 is actually 3. And there's our remainder. Notice that this is going to get us the same answer as the synthetic division problem got us, but look how much more work this is, and you have to worry about correctly subtracting negative numbers and getting the right results. Synthetic division is way faster than regular long division. Day 3, problem 2. Evaluate the expressions. Log base 4 of 64. 4 to what power is 64? 4 to the third power is 64. Question B, the natural log of e to the n minus 1 is equal to n minus 1. And question C, log base 2 of 64. 2 to what power is 64? 2 to the sixth power is 64.